Yo, hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Have fun, relax, and get ready to study your indigenous language naturally. Oh yes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me all over the world according to your GMT time zone. Thank you for watching me. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate you taking our time to be with me in order to learn Yoruba language. We are on lesson 7. So if you are just joining us, if you are not missing me, if you are just joining us, shows that you are new to this YouTube channel. So I would advise you to please go and start watching us from the beginning before you get to lesson 7. It will do you a lot of good, and it will also reduce my stress. I won't have to be receiving any form of messages that are not supposed to be received. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I thank you for everyone I've been leaving comments in a little while. God bless you. Thank you. So, I'm going to be speaking Yoruba now. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí èdè Yorùbá, èdè tó dára, èdè tó sunwọ̀n, èdè tí ó ní ìgbàgbọ́nú, tí ó ní ìtẹríbánú. Ẹ ṣé gan tí ẹ fi darapọ̀ mọ́ mi ní orí YouTube channel títí èmi Ọlátúnjí Awólọ́pẹ́, èmi ọmọ yín, ẹ̀gbọ́n yín, àbúrò yín, bàbá yín. Ẹ ṣé gan tẹ́ fi darapọ̀ mọ́ mi. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ibi tí ẹ bá wà ní gbogbo àgbáyé, tí ó bá ṣe jẹ́ pẹ̀lú aago tí ẹ ń lò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ẹ ṣé gan. Tí ó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ̀ tí ẹ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa nínú èdè Yorùbá, ẹ̀kọ́ ti Yorùbá yìí, àbí tí ò rí mi rí, ó jẹ́ pé òun darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín nìyẹn. So màá rọ̀ yín, màá gbà yín kí ẹ lọ sí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ibi tá a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, so a lè kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ bí ó ṣe yẹ kó rí, àti wípé ẹ ní máa dààmú èmi níbí báyìí pé mi ò mọ nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe. Ẹ ṣé gan ni mo dúpẹ́. Ẹ lọ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́, ẹ mú ìwé yín, kẹ mú gègé yín, kẹ gbáradì láti kọ àwọn nǹkan sílẹ̀. Bó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹ fẹ́ máa tẹ amóhùnmáwòrán ti YouTube yìí nígbà gbogbo láti lè kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ bí ó ṣe yẹ kó jẹ́, inú mi á dùn, orí yín á sì kànkè. Ẹ ṣé gan ni mo dúpẹ́. So ní èní à ń lọ sínú bí wọ́n ṣe ń kí èèyàn nínú èdè Yorùbá. Àwọn ọmọ wa àti àwọn tí ò gbọ́ Yorùbá àti àwọn tó ń kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá nílé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga, ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó dára fún wọn gan. Ó máa kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ gidi. So torí ẹ̀ ni a ṣe wà níbí. How to greet people in Yoruba language. How to greet people in Yoruba language. How to greet in Yoruba language. So bí a ṣe ń kí ará ní èdè Yorùbá. Bí a ṣe ń kí ará ní èdè Yorùbá. So how to greet people in Yoruba language. Bí a ṣe ń kí ará. Ará means people ní èdè Yorùbá. How? Bí a ṣe tí to greet kí gbogbo wa ní èdè Yorùbá. Nǹkan tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. So ní èdè Yorùbá kẹ́dẹ̀rẹ́, màá ṣe àlàyé ẹ̀ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì kí ó lè yé wa. In Yoruba language, Yoruba comes with loads of respect. That's what I need to understand. It's completely different from any other language. I'm very, very sorry if I sound somehow rude. I'm not saying you don't respect each other in your language, but we are teaching Yoruba language here today. I have to tell you about our own language, and I have every right to see how it really goes. So in Yoruba language, there is no Yoruba language or Yoruba nation when respect is underlined chopped out and thrown away. If you have no respect, you can never be likable in Yoruba land, in Yoruba nation. So, you know what? In Yoruba, Yoruba comes with very valuable respect. And we start from greetings. We are digressing. I know why I came out into this particular area. The reason is, it's very important that we have to learn how to greet before we move on to back to other places that we're coming from before. So, Yoruba has a lot of respect, and that's what I've said. So, without respect, there's no Yoruba. That's just the point blank. No respect, no Yoruba. So they teach us how to respect each other in the areas of greetings. How to respect adults in the areas of greetings. How to respect the younger ones in the areas of greetings. And we grow up with it, we learn with it, and we teach those ones that are coming behind us. We practice it on a daily basis. There's no two ways about it. Okay? So that's the way it is. Thank you so very much for listening to me. So, báwo ni a ṣe ń kí èèyàn ní èdè Yorùbá? You know, Yorùbá tí ò bá ti sí ìtẹríba kò sí Yorùbá. Tí ò bá sí ìtẹríba kò sí Yorùbá. Yorùbá wá pẹ̀lú ìtẹríba tó lékànkà. Mi ò mọ̀ mo ṣe lè sọ tó lékànkà tó ní ìwúrí. Tó ti yín sìn, Yorùbá àti ìtẹríba wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀. So àwọn òbí wa kedere àtàwọn àgbàlagbà tó wà láwùjọ wa ní gbogbo bí tá ti dàgbà, wọ́n máa ń kọ́ wa ní ìtẹríba nínú bí a ṣe ń kí ènìyàn, ọmọdé ni o, àgbà ni o, ojúlùmọ̀ ni o, àwọn ará, wọ́n fi ìtẹríba sínú ẹ̀ láṣẹ máa kíra wa. So nǹkan tí ta gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ni, kò sí kan tá lè ṣe nípa ẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣe kọ́ wa nìyẹn. So now in Yoruba language, this is the way we greet adults. As you can see, adults. This is the way we greet adults in Yoruba. Adult means àgbà, àgbàlagbà. A, bí, a, lí, a, bí, a, àgbàlagbà. That's what adult means in Yoruba. So when you want to greet adults in Yoruba, you are going to greet adults in this way. Good morning means ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Good afternoon means ẹ káàsán. Good evening means ẹ káalẹ́. Good night means ó dàárọ̀. So ti yé wá sìn. Good morning, ẹ káàárọ̀. Good afternoon, ẹ káàsán. Good evening, ẹ káalẹ́. Good night, ó dàárọ̀. Now, ó tún wá pín sí ọ̀nà míì eléyìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tún máa kí àgbàlagbà. How you're going to greet older people, that's adults. Only I will have to outline it here. Mo máa pín sí ọ̀nà tó yàtọ̀ sí àwọn. So tí ẹ bá fẹ́ kí òbí ènìyàn, if you want to greet your parents, either your father or your mother, you have to greet them in a different way. Màá pín sí irú ẹ̀. Tó bá fẹ́ kí, if you want to greet your father, ẹ káàárọ̀, meaning ẹ káàárọ̀ bàbá mi. Eléyìí, ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá mi. Tó bá fẹ́ kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, that's you want to greet your older brother or your older sister, whichever way. ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Ṣó ti yé yín sìn? Ẹ káàárọ̀ bàbá mi. Bàbá mi means daddy, father. Father, mother. This one is sister or brother. Father, bàbá mi. Mother, ìyá mi. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, sister or brother. Do you understand now? So, this is very important. You can't just greet adults. Say, ẹ káàárọ̀. If you greet adults in Yoruba language, ẹ káàárọ̀, that is disrespect. Do you understand now? So you have to greet by according your adults with whatever we call the adults. Do you understand now? Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kí àgbàlagbà pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí à ń pè àgbàlagbà yẹn. You understand now? So ẹ káàárọ̀ bàbá mi meaning good morning my father. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá mi meaning good morning my mother. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi meaning good morning my sister or my brother. Good morning my sister, good morning my brother. In Yoruba language, it's just ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mi for both of them. To the end, so bí a ṣe ń kí àwọn àgbàlagbà ní Yorùbá nìyẹn. That is how you greet older people, adults in Yoruba. The same thing you apply, you just apply this one here too. Ẹ káàsán bàbá mi. Ẹ káàsán bàbá mi. Ẹ káalẹ́ bàbá mi. Ó dàárọ̀ bàbá mi. The same thing you apply to ó dàárọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ ìyá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, bàbá mi. That's the way. It's very simple. It's as simple as that. So you can't just greet adults in this manner. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, ó dàárọ̀, without attaching whatever we call them in their own position. Do you understand now? So that is the way you accord the respect. And when you are greeting adults, bear it in mind, you cannot just greeting adults by stretching your hand to them or by standing and greeting them. It is also a sign of disrespect in Yoruba language. You have to greet an adult as a boy by prostrating, that's lie down and sound it. If you are a girl, you have to greet an adult by two of your nails go on the floor. That's the way you greet them. Or probably one of your knee goes on the floor while one is hanging. Or both of your knee just bend a bit down, not, touching the floor. The same thing to boys as well. They can as well bend in this format. You don't have to lie down. Do you understand now? In some cases, if you want to, it's not that maybe you have to do it by all means. But everything has their own levels of understanding of value. So when you kneel down like that, then the adult will lift you up and profound a blessing on you while lifting you up. Meaning, God bless you. In Yoruba, it will say, Adara fún ọ. Ọjọ́ ìní á sunwọ̀n fún ọ. A ṣáà pé àwọn àdúrà tí ó dára á pèsè ní ọjọ́ yẹn bó dẹ̀ ṣe máa rìn nìyẹn. Tó ti yé sìn. So it comes with prayer. It comes with blessing when you greet in such way, and it shows that you are taught well. manner, you are well mannered. Your parent has done a good job on you by teaching you manner, respect. But when you stand, stretch your hands to an adult, or stand in greeting adult in this way, the adult will just see you that you lack manner, you lack respect. And this reduces your likability. This reduces your likability in front of the adult, and even in front of the younger ones too, because the adult will tell the younger ones that that boy or that girl is so disrespectful, is very rude, is not a good child. And that is like cursing your life, not blessing your life. So you see, there's two different ways in it. What would it cost you? Just do what you've got to do, and that's it. Do you understand now? So that is the way it is in Yoruba. It is very important that you have to greet in the right manner. So now, let's go to younger ones or mates. Young mate means egbe. Egbe mi. Egbe mi. That's for the younger ones. It is only in the younger area that you use hello or hi. Do you understand now? And then, báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi, báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi, báwo ni. It's only in that place you use that. If you try that using báwo ni to an adult in Yoruba language, you will put yourself in trouble. I am telling you, that is complete disrespect to an adult. Do you understand? That is what we have to teach you. This is not a matter, I've told you earlier, Yoruba without respect is not a nation. Okay? It's a sign of disrespect when you greet an adult this way in Yoruba. Hello, hi. It is disrespect. The other will say, who is your parents? That's the question you'll be asking us when you say this. They won't answer you. They just say, who is your parent? Tani obie nibi. Who is your parent? Tani obie. Who is your parent? Who is your parent? Who is your parent? Tani Obi Re Ni Bi. Yoruba, Tani Obi Re Ni Bi. That's the question they're going to ask you next. They won't answer you. They will not respond to your greeting. They will just ask you, who is your parent? Meaning, you have been rude. They need to report you to your parents. Yeah, he has failed on you. That's what it means. So you do not, in any form, greet an adult. Báwo ni, hello or hi in Yoruba. You will be insulting your parent. That's what will happen from the adult. So, báwo ni, hello is very sweet, very fantastic. You can say it anytime, any day. Do you understand now? So, that's what you apply for your mates and the younger ones. Because you want to see, that's what you apply for your mates and the younger ones. And again, you can also apply this one too for your mates. You don't need to put this. Just say ekaro, ekason, ekale, odaro, fun, egbe. Tó bá fẹ́ kí wọn ní báwo ni. Even tó bá sì sọ pé báwo ni náà, o tún lè kí wọn báyìí. O ní láti fi eléyìí sí torí ẹgbẹ́ ló jẹ́ sí ẹ and àbúrò ló tún jẹ́ sí ẹ. Is your mate and also your younger ones. So you can use ekaro only. No attachment of positions. So you see, as much as hello is very sweet, And in Yoruba, it's called bawoni. Very sweet. We say it everywhere. Bawoni, bawoni, bawoni. Showapa, showapa. Bawoni, showapa. You know, are you good? Are you great? Are you fantastic? You know? So things like that is very important. We can use that, but you don't dare using it to an adult. You meet yourself in the club, you meet yourself in the class, you meet yourself on the street. Bawoni, 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 bawoni. But when you meet adults in any of those places I've mentioned, tó bá pàdé ẹ̀gbọ́n àgbàlagbà níbi tí mo ti dárúkọ yẹn, o lè kí wọn ní bawoni o. You cannot greet them bawoni. You have to greet them in this way to this. Àjẹ́bẹ́, wàá wọnú wàhálà. You will get into trouble. Wàá kàn bùkù. So, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, it's very important that we note this. And we should teach our children this when they are greeting our parents. That's their grandparents. You know? And even those that are also older than them, like those we call uncle, auntie in English. So the same thing goes with them as well. You understand now? We still use baba, ẹ̀gbọ́n, ìyá for them. It's just that we will not use me. We will not put baba me. Like when you want to greet your uncle in Yoruba, you understand now? Ẹ káàárọ̀ baba, ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá. You will not say ẹ káàárọ̀ baba mi. Me means you have personalized it now to yourself. That's now your biological father, your biological mother. Me. My mother, my father. But in Yoruba, uncle, auntie is baba and iya. We don't have auntie, uncle in Yoruba. Except it's going to be that long. Àbúrò bàbá mi. Oh, you put it that way. Ẹ káàárọ̀ àbúrò bàbá mi. Ẹ káàsán àbúrò bàbá mi. Meaning, ẹ káàárọ̀, my father's brother. Good morning, my father's brother. Good morning, my father's sister. Is that how we greet in English? No. So we don't use, it's too long. So the moment you say, good morning, auntie, that means good morning, iya. They know their position already. So, Ejowo, this is Yoruba class. This is not English or French or any other language class. This is Yoruba class. This is Yoruba language. So, I'm teaching you how our culture is, our tradition is in Yoruba, our greetings is in Yoruba. So, there are ways that we do our own thing. There are ways other countries do their own thing. That's why everybody is unique in their own different culture, in their own different tradition, in their own different ways. Let us embrace our own, appreciate our own, and respect other country. But trying to disobey our own, disrespect our own, and appreciating other culture, it shows, it presented us as a bastard. That is what it is. Omali, unamaje, níwájú àwọn òbí wa, níwájú àwọn àgbàlagbà wa, tí wọ́n ti làágùn káwa tó débi táwa náà dé. They've sweated. They've tried their best. Okay? So this is very, very important, please. Very, very important. This is Yoruba language class. It's not any other country's class. Please, I beg of you. I'm not trying to be rude or whatsoever. So please, bear it in mind. Bawoni is not used in any form. Hello, hi, is not used in any form in Yoruba culture. It is not in our culture at all. So when your child greets hello, hi to their older people or adults in Yoruba, you are bringing curse upon yourself as a parent. Insult from that adult to you. And your child will be disliked. It will not be likable no matter how well your child wants to behave. I am telling you, that's a fact. And before you know it, it will look as if one bad spirit is following your child. But you wouldn't know that it is the way you taught your child. That's why it's like that. So it's better you teach your child manner, culture, tradition for them to exhibit or impart likability in their life. Because you see, likability, it will take you far beyond your mates. Ẹran ọ̀fẹ́ á gbé ẹ débi gíga tí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ẹ tí wọ́n lè dé. Bó ṣe jẹ́ gan nìyẹn. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, mo bẹ̀ yín, mo rọ̀ yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a kọ́ ọmọ wa ní àkọ́ṣe èdè wa. Tó sì yé wa, àkọ́ṣe èdè wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ ọmọ wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ jẹ́ kójú wa ṣe o. Kò ní rẹ̀ wá o. Ẹ ṣé gan, mo dúpẹ́ o. I thank you so much for coming on my show. Thank you. Ó dàárọ̀. Bye. Ó dàárọ̀. Bye. Ó dàárọ̀. Bye. Ẹ ṣé o.
Thank you for watching. Please make sure you don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Oh yes, and just in case you forgot your notebook and pen, please remember to bring it next time in our next lesson. Please tune in. Thank you. Bye.